Hey everyone, Ben the Bar Guy back with another video to help you make better drinks, and today we got a big announcement. So stay tuned, subscribe and like if you like Ben the Bar Guy, and let's make better drinks. Cheers. All right everyone, this is a Ben the Bar Guy special announcement video. Reliable Tavern is reopening. We're definitely gonna reopen May 5th, but the other half of this announcement is my man Lester Kidd is taking over the program at Reliable, and I'm gonna move on. Future announcements about that are gonna come shortly. I'm okay, I still love Reliable. I'm still working here helping to get Lester prepared, but this guy is killing my income right now because he's so on top of things, he doesn't even need me, which is exactly the guy I trained and exactly why he's gonna be the right guy to take over the program. We're still gonna be doing awesome cocktails. We're a cocktail tavern. Cocktails shouldn't be hard to find. They should be commonplace. And I wanted to introduce Lester to you guys because he was always one of my best bartenders, one of the most responsible guys that I've ever trained or put behind one of my bars. And he's gonna do a great job here at Reliable. So Lester, tell me about the May 5th reopening. What do we got going on?
Also, May 5th is our 4-year anniversary. So come by and see us on our birthday. For our birthday, we'll be doing a little bit of our vintage program to a discount. We'll also be doing Whiskey Wednesday, $8 old fashions all night, 30% off all caffeine.
We still have 23 year.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Can't beat that.
We still have 15 year.
32% off.
I mean, what are we even talking about here? So yeah, man, Reliable lives on, and we're excited about all this, and I hope you guys are too. If you guys have any questions, you can email Reliable Tavern, reliabletavern@gmail.com. And if you guys need cocktail ice, if you guys need anything to go, we can still make that work for you. We don't have a to-go program like we did during the pandemic because DC to Go shut down. Lester, you have any updates on that?
I'm working on setting up something with Squarespace at the moment, and once that gets up and going, then we'll be back on delivering cocktails to you. But in the meantime, you can always stop by and pick one up.
I love it. That's our big announcement. Reliable Tavern is alive and well. God bless Reliable Tavern. We'll talk to you guys soon. And as always, to better drinks. Cheers.